So again, because these items have already been pulled in, they've already been scanned, obviously we've got some information that's populating over on the right-hand side. But what it didn't have was it didn't have any distributions, not for this particular one. And you may notice over here in the right-hand corner, I've got this little computer chip. It does say AI on it. And that tells me that that's been activated for this particular workflow. And so if I click on that, what it does is it pulls up these three pieces of information for me and says, hey, Sarah, based on the information that we have, this is what we would suggest. So imagine if I'm a newer employee, I haven't been working here for very long, or maybe I'm in a new department, I've been with the organization, but I'm handling some newer different accounts. This certainly makes things a lot easier for me. I can click this top one, and sure enough, it's pulling in the one that is appropriate for this one, staff development, and it's, as always, populating all of those pieces that are coming over from my attached ERP. What it's doing is it's looking at the history. So it's looking at what have you as an organization done with this vendor previously in the past? And based on that information, what are the three most likely candidates for distribution for this particular invoice? And I think that's a really smart way of doing things. So when we first install the tool, when it first starts working for you, it doesn't have that information necessarily unless you've been using PaperSave for a while. But what I think is fascinating is if you are part of our family already, whether or not you've been using the AI, the data exists, the information exists, and adding the AI tool just makes that data accessible.